Our last slide, our last prediction, we don't have a great chart for this one, and this is really more somewhat anecdotal in nature, but we saw this in the GFC, and this picture of the two gentlemen walking out with the Lehman sign. I actually think this was the Lehman office in London, not the one in New York. But 15 years later, still conjures up some pain from me personally. I mean, I was very close to being one of those gentlemen there carrying that sign out in 2009. And what happened during that period is you saw a lot of consolidation amongst the well-heeled, stable, large players of the industry. And then, as we noted several times throughout this presentation, there have been a number of shocks to the financial, but most importantly to our ecosystem here in commercial real estate over the past years. We've talked about a lot of them. It's the historically fast-paced increase in interest rates, declining valuations, peak new apartment deliveries, and the unprecedented rise in insurance costs that I just covered. There's been a lot of stress in our environment and in our industry in the past 2 years, and setting aside COVID, which exacerbated some of these issues. But so taking a page out of the playbook from the GFC, I think we're going to start to see, we're already starting to see this now, a number of the larger and again, better capitalized firms will start to consolidate and acquire or merge with some of the smaller and the weaker firms. And that's going to expand the entire ecosystem. That's going to be developers, sponsors, private equity investment managers, property managers. We'll start to see this at all levels. And some of these firms actually will go out of business and cease to exist. So this disruption is going to provide additional opportunities in the marketplace for firms to grow and create efficiencies, and Origin stands ready to benefit from this as well. We could spend some more time talking about the adoption of technological advancements. We're not the only firm that is incorporating data science into what we do, although we think we have the best. Shout out to you, Ryan, and our team. But that will also, technological advancements will also help create enhanced consolidation opportunities within the space. So we stand ready to benefit, frankly, from a lot of these trends that we predicted, notably from the consolidation standpoint. But really, we believe this presents a generational buying opportunity as we see some of these asset sales come to market due to the run-up in valuations that we saw the past couple of years.